Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful Pebble stones crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, friends, why stone crafts are special? The beauty of stone craft is that every stone is different. No two pebbles have exactly the same shape of texture. That means every handmade project can be unique. You don't need expensive material or complicated tools. Sometimes a few stones, a wooden board, some paint, and a little imagination are enough. Stone crafts are also a wonderful way to bring the natural feeling into your home. They can make your door decor look warm, earthly, creative, and personal. Glue stones decoration for an evening decoration. Decorative glue stones can create a beautiful effect. Place them inside a glass jar, decorative trays, table, garden display. You can mix them with ordinary pebbles to create contrast. When the lights are low, the glowing piece can add a magical touch to your decor. Always choose craft materials that are intended for this purpose and follow their safety introduction. And viewers, my next idea is friends, so viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. Friends, see you in the next video.